Okay. And all right, I believe our chat's live. I believe YouTube is live as well. And let's hope we don't see any frame drops here. All right, think or swim should probably open that. And I need a scene. Just give me one moment, guys. We'll be fixing this up. Alrighty, guys. Welcome to a trading day recap. All right. In this trading day recap, we are going to go over all the trades that I made yesterday, all the way through to today. So my name is Connor. We're here with Live Gains Television. We have a Twitch that is active every morning at every morning market time at 9:15. Break down some stocks, get into some trading, and you watch us trade live till about 11. Each day on YouTube, we do recap breakdowns. So today we are going to break down the last 2 days of trading. You're going to see another mistake I made. Last week it cost me pretty big, cost me about $300. I made a similar mistake twice yesterday. We're gonna walk you through that, and then you're gonna see the small little trades we made today. And yeah, we'll get right to it, guys. So without a further delay, you're going to see all the trades we're going to recap right here. So on the first one you see there is yesterday, and then today underneath it. So $172.50, and then $215. All of that is profit, guys. That is money in the wallet. We're real excited to get to that. So yeah, let's just start breaking it down. So we started with AMNR yesterday at about 9:37. So I'm gonna make that full screen for us, and then yesterday we're gonna look at the 2-day 1 minute. So at 9:37 yesterday, was right here, I believe, and yeah, right here. So we were looking for this VWAP fade, which we love that setup. And it did it perfectly. We put our enter price right here. Everything was absolutely flawless for the trade, except I hit buy instead of short. So I bought this stock knowing it's going to go down, and I bought it for going long. It bounced up a little bit, and I was seeing green, so I was like, that's weird, because I know it was working against me just for a second. And then it started working exactly how I predicted, and it went red, and then I realized instead of being short in my position, I was long. I was able to get out for only $30 of a loss, but that could have, if we look the next 3 minutes, that would have tanked. almost 10% that I missed out on because I hit the wrong button and then missed the trade. So huge error there. Probably cost me $400 minimum. But so I was beating myself up over that. And then we were going to so we immediately sold our position there and waited. Then we bought on Cron at 951, but in reality, I actually wanted to buy on this stock. I had to relog on TEFS, and when you log in, it had a default screen saved with Cron, so I didn't double check that. So at 944 right here. I love that it got back to the EMA on this candle wick. I went to go short on it, and in reality, I shorted Cron. And so if we go look at that stock at this time, 944 yesterday, it actually was a little extended. 944 right here. So I actually caught it right here. So I got super lucky that I bought in right when Cron was peaking short. And I was actually able to ride this down just to like right here, just enough to break even. I think I made like $17, and I was like, oh, that was a lucky mistake. I got lucky it didn't bite me in the butt. So I was almost done for the day. But then after my kid went down for a nap, I decided I wanted to mess around with AMRN a little bit. It had gapped up. I saw it was on this really strong upward trend. So you can see I did some scalping on AMNR starting at about 255. So 12, 14, 55. So right in here is where I started making my trades. I think I got in on this pullback here. So I saw this first big pullback but missed it. On this next good pullback here, I got in. I like the support that had already formed. Got in here and made a small scalp. I continued to scalp it all the way throughout the end of the night. And you can see I just got in on these lows. I sold toward the highs. Got in again toward the end of the day. Just a bunch of in and outs. I was able to make a little bit of money there. Ended up being $172 after being down 25. So just these scalps at the end of the day made me almost $200. That was awesome. So first day of the week, green. So now we're going to check out today's trade, and today's trades were pretty good too. We'll switch our screen so you guys can see. Our first trade was at 10:15 on AMNR today. Uh, 10:15, right about here. So right on this pullback, I saw it had just a really strong trend on the day. It had a positive catalyst for news, and I knew this was a bullish trend for the day. So I saw this massive pullback. I said, hell, what a great entry point, and took a quick scalp back up to the EMA. That was probably $50. Took 30 seconds to make that. Super easy scalp there. Then our next trade, we shorted AMNR. Or no, everyday thing today was long AMNR. 1233 or 1033 to 1035. So 1033 right here. We got in on this pullback here, sold up on this high right here. Perfect execution again. Another easy bit of money. And then we went in on 37, sold at 42. So 37. Got in on this breakdown here. Got in on the EMA. Added to my position. Oops. Got in right here on the EMA, added to my position as it went down, and then we let it ride for us, and we sold at around we sold right around 42, the end of the 42 candle, so right here. So I think we held through this little bit of down and then sold up here, adding to our position a little bit as we went. And then the last trade of the day, we got out in pair. We got out over a little bit of 2 trades out. Started at 10:55. So up here we kind of let it do its thing for a while. It had a huge upkick. At 10:55, we saw this. What did I see for entry? I think I just saw it going long for the day, and I had a little bit of fear of missing out after this big red candle here. So you see right at 10:55, which is right where this candle is, I saw it pull back nicely to the EMA. I figured that was a good entry point because it was just trending upwards all day. And I get in here, and then I add to my position just a few times. I add at 56 and 57. So over the next 2 minutes, I add here, thinking it's going pretty well for me. I'm now 600 shares in, and I sell those 2 shares off. I sell them off at 11:02 and 11:05. So 11:02, right on this upturn. I think I just had a sell order in at 66 or 67. I get a sell there for a little bit of money, and then a little bit later I sell for some more profits too. I did miss out on some of these big jumps, but I'm not fretting over it. This stock made us plenty of money today. Again, those are our recaps for both days. $382 profit, guys. We would love to see you there tomorrow morning. Live Gains TV on twitch.com, twitch.tv/livegains. But my name's Connor, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions, please like, comment, subscribe, write any questions below, or ask them in live chat and we'll get back to you. One last thing, guys. We have an awesome fan, Laura. She made us an amazing thumbnail. So if you like the video or you like the thumbnail, make sure to give Laura some love in the comments, guys. And we'll catch you tomorrow morning. Peace.